Okay guys, welcome back. We got a 2000 Saturn here with a P0105 code and a P0122 code. Now normally you would start looking for vacuum leaks and such on this. This does have an ECTS sensor. That is your temperature sensor. That's where I like to go first when those two codes pop up. You don't have a mass airflow sensor, so you're not going to be cleaning it. You're not going to be looking for a vacuum leak if you've already checked. Well, I guess you are going to be looking for a vacuum leak, but if you've already checked the vacuum leak. So we're at the front of the engine here. We're going to go to the hose. I've disconnected. Just a flathead screwdriver and some tape is going to fix this problem. So I've disconnected the air intake, moved it out of the way, and then if you look, let me grab a flashlight. Right down there where the engine meets the transmission, that's a sensor right there. That's your temperature sensor. That'll cause your idle to go up and down. When I peel back the wire, there's a lot of heat here, by the way. The wire was stuck together. See how it's frayed there and there? It was stuck together, and continuity was going through, they were touching. So the sensor wasn't reading right. What's going to happen when the sensor doesn't read right? The computer, the ECM, is going to try to take control and try to fix the problem by adjusting air, adjusting fuel. It thinks that it's climbing in altitude or it's dropping in altitude. So it's going to make changes, and it's going to cause your RPMs to spike. It's going to cause a little bit of a rough idle possibly, but mainly the RPMs are going to surge back and forth. You can get up to 2,000 RPMs while you're sitting there with your foot on the brake in drive. And when you let off the brake, your car is taking off, etc. So I know this is going to help somebody out. It is a common issue with these cars. If you don't see a problem with that wire, try checking the sensor, because those sensors are made of a polyurethane, I believe, or a type of plastic. The tip of it. That's the original manufacturer. Now, when you go replace that part, it comes with a brass tip. If you pull it out and you look at that plastic and it looks like it's cracked, or it may just need cleaned as well, but when you replace it, you're going to get a brass tip, and it's going to be less chance of that cracking under heat and such. So I know this will help somebody out, because it's going to help this gentleman out. So please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.